Hi everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about Wi-Fi. So before getting started into practicals, I would like you to tell you that the upcoming 2 or 3 videos is going to be very important for the deep understanding of the Wi-Fi and its security mechanism. So this video will take you through the beginning of Wi-Fi, how wireless interfaces works, how Wi-Fi is different and better from Bluetooth, and you will be learning very similarity between all of these devices. So I would like you to tell you that it is very important because the build of a strong foundation in wireless networking raise your capabilities and will be helpful in your life, especially for its security related career. So now let's start and see what is Wi-Fi and how does it work. Okay. So Wi-Fi is the name of proper wireless networking technology that uses radio waves to propagate through air for providing high-speed internet and network connections, reducing uses of wires effectively. Then what is the need of Wi-Fi? It is very important to understand. So world has always been moving towards the better, and according to the statistics, it is clear that in the next 5 years, a large population will be using wireless devices for the purpose like storing data, streaming music, accessing high-speed internet, and many more things. So wireless technology not only saves the element used to manufacture the wires, but also provides way much lesser installation cost of the devices. Since there is no wire for we can say pre-device installation, but just some information to be registered, which is perhaps matter of the few minutes. So as we see today, wireless devices have become an essential part of our life. So over times, it is going to expand to as much people as it can. Hence, more wireless devices, more the vulnerabilities and more the need of Wi-Fi security expert will be there. That is why it is very important to understand how Wi-Fi works, what is the need of Wi-Fi, and later on we are going to see some security mechanism that Wi-Fi uses.